let me ask you a question. What do you know about Yemen? What do you know other than Al-Qaeda and marriage as early as 7? What do you know about my country and my people, for starters? Do you know that your people are descendants of my people? I'm getting sick and tired of your blatant ignorance and these papers claiming we breed terrorists, train and arm them. Yeah, I'm armed. Witnesses with this pen in my hand, I'll go all crazy and militant. Again with the question, what do you know about Yemen? This ain't a poem, this is more of a history lesson. We had rulers dating back as early as Qahtan. Christians pick up a Bible and Muslims the Quran, cause it's mentioned in both. Hard facts, it's not a mystery. Say what you want, try as you might, you can't erase history. We established the earliest trade ever known to man. Spices and frankincense were sent all over the land. Don't ever look down on us, know where you stand. Why we're always made inferior, I'll never understand. Considering all that we've given and the input we've had, why we've been left behind and forgotten, I'll never understand. What do you know about Yemen? Believe it or not, the birthplace of your own personal heaven. That mocha you purchase from a Starbucks every day is named after a Yemeni city where coffee was first made. And don't talk to me about MEDCs, when we built the first skyscrapers the world's ever seen, made entirely of mud brick and still standing today. The sad thing is most of you never knew this, is such a shame and you should be ashamed. Don't talk to me about women's oppression and inequality, when the most respected female leader of all time was a born and bred Yemeni. I am the land of the Arabs, the peninsula, the foundation and root of the Middle East. I am the forgotten jewel of Arabia. I am Yemen. What do you know about me?